I thought I'll show you guys the inside view of this clock today, since I got nothing to do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. You are now looking at the inside view of the Waltham 31-day wall clock that I got from Christmas in 2018. The reason why I have been wanting this clock because a family member has a clock collection and he has one identical to the Waltham one. I don't know if you have watched that video back in 2017 or 2020. Go watch those videos if you would like to. I have been wanting for those clocks for a while, so I finally managed to get one from eBay in Christmas. Alright, end of this talk about this Waltham clock. Now showing you the inside. Here's the key. And as you can tell, those weights aren't connected. They're just fake weights. Same as the white one. This movement is made by Korean. There was a other Waltham 31-day clock the exact same one but for the Chinese movement. So here is the Korean version. Has 0 jewels in it. Has rack and snail striking. It's very loud when it drops. 2 very big mainsprings. They use that in 31-day clocks. So that's why they're really huge. Here's the escapement. Please comment down below of what escapement that is, because I don't know what type of escapement it is. It's probably a grams deadbeat or a half deadbeat. I'm not sure about that. Also, you can see the black paint oil on the escapement, by the way. That's from the old oil when they sold it. Here is the screws. Even on the bottom. The chime. A flywheel. Now I'll show you the close-up before I chime it. Even the side. Close-up at the main springs. Back in snow again. If you want to know why that's there to your clock, because the clock in these days, the rack will drop at teal, so it will count the number. It will count the number of the strike. each hour. But now I'll chime the clock. You see how the whack will drop? See, that's really loud. And now I'll show you of it doing its chiming. Okay, is that enough to view the movement? Because I am done showing you at the movement. Here is the clock dial. See, demonstrated the Waltham brand. And of course, for one day chime, the old arrows for the where it winds. And then here's the back of it. Please note that those are not my fingerprints. That is someone else's fingerprints when they sold this clock. So yeah, once again, those are not my fingers. And that's probably it for this clock. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.